about 7 hours. Slow train.
You see,
No other form of transport unless you take a car. It's very dangerous because you have to run.
Yeah.
And then it's like, you have bandits. And, what? There are still bandits in here.
Marauders.
And then you leave Shanghai, and then you start going inland. Suddenly you're in a totally different world.
It's not so different as ours, right? Or the poverty here.
In the Philippines, north to south, it doesn't change too much, right? The rural, the countryside is the same.
Like going to a different decade, that's centuries.
It's not totally the same. Only the language changes, only the dialect changes, but the surroundings, it's the same.
China.
Different world. Totally different.
lipat-lipat mo.
Even Shanghai in itself Shanghai is a very old town, remember? It's a very old city, one of the oldest. So they have a Pudong, which is the new town. Pudong means new town, across the Pearl River, and what river was there. And then the old Shanghai. This is the traditional Shanghai. This is Pudong, this is Puxi. Americans of course call it Puxi, but Puxi. But only to do
C'est Fushi? C'est seafood?
when you're in Shanghai, forget New York. This place. But let me put it in perspective. We have a very old town, a very old Chinese town. Traditional Chinese, everything. Imagine you are going to take out the people for a while. The whole population, just take them out, and then build this new, beautiful city with skyscrapers of not one, no two are alike. Different, so the skyline is just beautiful. When that's done, pick up your people and put them back in.
That's Shanghai.
That's Shanghai. People say, "How you got the Chekwa?"